Yo, what's up? We're gonna be working on the grill today. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything too fancy, just probably some letters. Alright, this is the original grill that came with the car. We're gonna be filling this in right here. But we gotta trace it out right here. Get a good stencil for the design we're gonna do, but this is gonna be going right here. So we're gonna have the grill sit right there. Alright, so here's an idea of the grill. Not totally sure if I'm gonna go with that or not, but what we're working on right now. Might just fix it up, add some more stuff. We're just gonna see what happens. Yo, what's up? It's Sunday. We're gonna be doing some work on the car, but we gotta get all the rust off right now. So that's probably take a minute before we do anything. But yesterday we went to a car meet, so we're pretty tired today because we were up all night. But I'm probably putting all that video footage from yesterday towards the end of the video, so if you want to check that out, it's gonna be pretty good, so you don't want to miss it. I've been here for like a month. I never even noticed his rims before. He has some lady as his rim watch. Check it out. Look at that. I guess these are his floaters. He was saying. Hey yo, what's up? So we're gonna make a quick run to Walmart real quick to buy some of this lacquer thinner. I guess to clean out the gun. So after we clean out the gun and everything, we're gonna be we're gonna be primering this. We're gonna be doing the hood, the roof, the trunk, and then we still gotta work on the body kit and like that, but we're getting close. Alright. We got all the windows and everything covered. About to get ready. Start painting this. Well, not painting it, but we're gonna primer the top and the trunk today.
I'm Connie Salika. This is Intelligent.
Alright, we got all the tape and paper off. That's what it looks like now. We got a few spots to fix though. But overall, we're getting there. So our main thing is to finish the body kit. We're still trying to smooth it out and everything like that. So once that's done, we'll probably have the whole car primered. And after that, I'm going to the paint. But that's the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing more on what's happening with this car.